TradingView Guide. What is TradingView? TradingView is a robust set of tools and options to help your technical analysis. You can access both the classic and advanced versions on the Binance website. Opening TradingView. Go to Trade, Classic. You can choose to view the charts in Original, TradingView, or Depth View. The Original and TradingView show candlestick charts, while the Depth View shows a visual representation of unfilled buy-sell orders on the order book. To enable TradingView, click TradingView above the chart. You can click the Enlarge button next to Depth to enter full-screen TradingView. How to use TradingView? You can customize the TradingView in a number of ways. Let's take a look at the different trading tools available. On the top of the screen, you can see the current price of the trading pair and its 24-hour changes in price and volume. You can alter the time frame represented by each candlestick by selecting one of the default options above the graph. Choose from 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day to 1 week. If you require more intervals, click the arrow on the right-hand side to see more options. Select a new interval or click the Edit button to add more intervals to your default options. You can also customize your candlestick chart. Simply double-click on any of the candles to bring up its settings. Here you can change the way your candlesticks look, their scaling and margin, the background, and your time zone. You can then add technical indicators to the chart. Click on the Technical Indicator icon for a list of available options, such as MACD, Bollinger Bands. Once you have chosen a technical indicator, it becomes visible on the candlestick chart. To remove a technical indicator, click on the X next to it. You may have noticed that once you switch to TradingView, you can see a list of drawing tools on the left of the candlestick chart to help with your charting analysis. For example, you can create trend lines on the chart to demonstrate possible market entry points. Click the Trend Line tool and select the beginning and end points for your trend line. You can also customize the thickness, color, and other features using the floating toolbox. Or double-click on the tool button to find variations of the tool's primary function. To remove the trend line, click on it to bring up the floating toolbox. Then click on the bin icon. If you want to reset the whole chart, right-click anywhere on the chart and click Reset Chart, or press Alt+R on your keyboard. Here are all the basics for you to get started. Start using TradingView tools on Binance for your technical analysis today.